How does one stay invested when you see quality stocks in your portfolio also correcting very sharply?
Yeah, so see, you have to look at your portfolio return. Don't bother too much about the individual return. I mean, if the company is doing well, but the stock price is down, I don't think there is a reason to sell or panic. But see, what happens is that people get too much focused on an individual stock rather than entire portfolio. In diversification of stocks, that's the biggest beauty of the stock market, that you buy 15, 20, 30 stocks portfolio, and you cannot go wrong, because there will be some stocks will be moving up, all 25 stocks will not be moving up, and all 25 will not be moving down. You have to have more movers up and less of moving down. On the whole, you make when index makes 15%, it's not that all the 50 companies are growing at 15%. There is always, this count. If you look at only positive companies, your return would be 35%. It's just that dragged down by the companies which are not doing well. So you have to have that understanding the way index works. In fact, your portfolio is also nothing but an index.
Absolutely. And jate, just one comment: buy right, sit tight. Does that advice change or does that continue?
See, buy right, sit tight, in terms of allocation in India, that's the best thing which works. Like, you decide, okay, you have 100 crore portfolio, you want to be, you are edged, whatever, 60-40 you want to do, 60% equity, 40% debt, do whatever with the debt, but 60% equity, don't go 58%. Stay invested at 60. That is buy right, I would say. And then buy within that the best possible company at a given point of time. But please don't mess around with the allocation of 60% equity, and then they'll say, sir, I'm 30% in cash because the markets are looking. That is where you get, shafted.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.